So just a second ago, we got an alert for the second time to be safe because of this orange rainfall, which means heavy rains, floods, and possible erosion, soil erosions. So at the moment, guys, like the storm is hitting in the central Visayas. I think it's yesterday. It says around this time, 6 o'clock to like around this time in the morning. And here with us, even if it's telling it's Davao del Norte and Davao de Oro, this is how it looks at the moment here in the farm. It's just misty rains at the moment. Look at this. By the forecast, it says it's gonna be gone by nighttime today. So, well, we are farmers. We cannot stop. I'm gonna be out later after breakfast to get goat feeds, but I will just get from here. And my Madre de Aguas and my moringas around here in the farm. And I have not taken any leaves from the mulberries lately just to save for this day. So hopefully I can just get from here in the farm. I have so many banana leaves. Like this weather, guys, this causes wet poops oh my goats. Like really, not just goats but chickens and pigs. Like they have how you call in our language, it's called panuhot, caused by the low temperature. So I have to prevent any shitty days for the goats. Anyway, wet poops for the goats. So like I have this this guava here, and some bananas everywhere around the farm. So here I have bananas everywhere. Like yesterday I gave them bananas and no wet poops from any of my goats. So hopefully in our area we won't get that heavy rain. It doesn't flood here in our area, so that emergency alert, the possible thing that can happen here is just heavy rainfall, but hopefully it won't last long, because like the whole day I will be out getting feeds for my goats. I mean, not really like 8 hours straight, but like I have to feed them lunch, breakfast, and dinner. So this is just a short update, guys. Like our chickens are still out. The other day I saw them with the neighbors in the drying area at the across this farm, or in front of this farm. And I told William straight away, and he's gonna tag them. So because one neighbor also have Rhode Island Reds, I checked yesterday. And you're gonna tag those chickens, Hanya?
Yes, baby.
Yeah. So even if they go out there, like especially this rainy day, there will be no people there. So like they will think, their small minds will think that the bananas there are free because nobody's around. Look at them, they're still all out. Those adults are immunized, so they're okay. Hopefully they will be. So like have a safe day everyone, wherever you are.